So, in this brief demonstration, I'm going to be showing the work that I've done using the Blender MCP server and with the little library that I've been writing for tool chaining with LLMs. So that's library was a bit of a tangent from the work I was doing creating my own AI assistant. I realized I needed to do some tool chaining. Looked at using LangChain, but to be honest, I wanted to learn it all myself. So I wrote my own. Only been testing out on very basic things like finding out what the weather is, other bits and pieces. So yeah, that's all fun, but nothing complicated. Then I found Blender MCP and figured let's give it something a bit more complicated to do. So I hooked it up, created a prompt for the system to talk to Blender. It's using the GPT 4.1 nano model for the LLM. Yeah, so let's see how it goes. Okay, here we go. So first up, we want to start creating the scene. So let's create a large plane and place an area right above it. Okay, zoom out a little bit. Now what do we want to do? So we'll set the light lower, so set it to a height of 3 meters. Let's increase its strength to say 100 watts, 200 watts, and let's give it a one color. Cool. Okay, so let's add some things to the scene. So on top of the plane, add 5 UV spheres. Let's put in a circle pattern. Let's say pattern. So let's put them 2 meters apart from each other. Each sphere should be 1 meter in diameter. Also, I want to link all their data together so they're easier to change at the same time. Alrighty, so let's see. And there we go, there's 5 spheres in a circle pattern. So let's make them a bit smoother. So give the spheres a smooth face shading. Cool, cool. There we go. And let's turn them to glass. Turn them to glass even. Turn them to glass. Lovely jubbly. And let's make them move. So let's add a keyframe animation that moves the spheres up and down by, say, 1 meter each way. Let's do it 4 times over 250 frames. Wait, spelling. Alright, let's see if that works. Play animation. Lovely, lovely.